You've got to have a food plan. Write this down. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. You cannot wing this in the beginning, the 30 or 60 days. You can wing it after a while. Here's another promise along with the growling stomach, gang, is like, you'll literally be able to go an entire day and won't be worried about food. And people don't believe me when I tell you that, because sometimes you wake up or, come to about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and realize I didn't even eat anything today and I'm not hungry. Food minus the cravings is a different sensation in your body. Okay. But you do need a plan. Okay. You need to wait. The most important step is abstinence. Okay. The most important step is learning to understand that. Let me write this one down too. I don't even know I say write this down when I look at these videos. But it is important. It's easier to do 100% abstinence from sugar and flour, and we'll mention the flour in just a minute, than it is to try and do 95% or even 98% and just do a little. And you have to know that it's easier to do this, okay? So eating healthy foods and cutting out toxic ones affects the mind in a positive way, and meaning that sound nutritional habits will aid you in getting control over the insanity that is this dependency. People don't like sometimes my drug analogies, the dependency and stuff, but now, after interviewing 200 of the world's leading experts, we know the science says this, okay? And one of the things that I want to really drill home with the food is that, like I said before, we're not looking for sweetness. We're not looking for comfort food. We're looking for dopamine. We're looking for serotonin, norepinephrine, GABA. We're looking to activate our brain reward chemicals. All right. So we have to stop this separation of calories and exercise and stuff, and realize that we are ingesting a drug. We are ingesting a psychoactive drug, very powerful, dose-dependent, write that down, dose-dependent drug, okay? And this is what we're craving. This is why we can't stay off of the white processed foods, and why we're always drawn back to them, all right? Once you get the following plan, you may be tempted to deviate just a little bit, okay? Like you deserve a cheat day. This makes me crazy that there are actually programs out there that say that you can have cheat days, okay? It's only going to keep the cravings alive, and it keeps the cravings alive for 2 or 3 days or longer, okay? Or brings you back to the cravings for 2 or 3 days or longer. And if you do that, you're never going to get where you want to go. This is not going to happen. You have to understand that you've got to give yourself this time period, this break, this reset, and heal up a little bit. You truly will be healing up, okay? And again, this rationalization, and I don't, in recovery terms, they call it denial, okay? And denial is actually a symptom of the disease. And it's a brain disease. It's a brain reward chemical disease, okay, where you're literally affecting your dopamine and stuff. So you've got to realize you can't rationalize your way out of this. You've got to make that adulting choice to just decide this is what you want to do over the next 5 days, all right? And again, if you're starting with your detox today, more power to you. If you're not, just listen and let the information light on you.